Managing family sharing. Removing a child under 13.
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss a commonly asked question related to Apple's family sharing feature. Is it possible to remove a child under 13 from family sharing? Understanding how to manage your family sharing group can help ensure a seamless user experience.
What is family sharing?
Family sharing is an incredibly convenient feature provided by Apple, which allows up to 6 family members to share App Store purchases, Apple subscriptions, an iCloud storage plan, and more, without sharing accounts. A family group helps your family stay connected by setting up shared Apple services like iCloud, Apple Music, and a shared family photo album. However, managing this group may sometimes become a necessity.
Can you remove a child under 13 from family sharing?
Here is where things get a bit tricky. For children under 13, the answer is no, you cannot directly remove them from family sharing. This is primarily due to the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA, which restricts online services from collecting data from children under 13 without parental consent. Since Apple can't legally verify whether consent has been given if a child under 13 is removed from family sharing, they simply prohibit this action to remain in compliance with the law.
What can you do instead?
While you cannot remove a child under 13 from family sharing, there are a few workarounds you might consider. Option 1. If the reason for wanting to remove the child is due to storage or purchase concerns, you can modify their iCloud and purchase settings. This would allow you to control what they can purchase or how much storage they're using without removing them from the group. Option 2. If it's crucial for the child to be removed from family sharing, the only way to do so would be by transferring them to another family sharing group. This requires creating a separate family sharing group and having the organizer of that group invite the child. In conclusion, while Apple's family sharing feature does not allow you to directly remove a child under 13, you do have options to modify settings or transfer them to another group. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to manage your family sharing group, particularly when it comes to managing accounts for children under 13.